I didn't think there was anything all that interesting about this build, but we took it apart to, this is a brand new motor. Friend paid 60 grand for it or something like that. It's a medium riser, 427 Ford, with stack injection. It's a nice build. The parts are all nice, for the most part. For the money, I don't know. I think you'd get something else, but it's not bad. And for the average guy, it's not bad. But look at all the casting flash remaining in that motor right there. So we're going to take that out. Hence the reason there's all the chips in there. We're going to take it out, and the other side, it's even worse. See that all those chunks right in there? It's kind of ridiculous that that's even in here. The oil hole wasn't port matched to the pump. It was just kind of, a hole that was drilled in the block, sort of like that. And the pump actually, comes out to there. So we clean that up so that ledge isn't there. That's very common FE stuff. Other than that, the studs are okay. They're not ARP, but they're okay. I don't know whose they are. They could be American made. They could be good quality. I'm not sure. But other little things with this that were concerning, or the main reason we took it apart, is because it was built and it had a lot of dirt in it. And that's a problem. So another interesting thing, aluminum galley or water jacket plugs, which is great, but then steel plugs in the oil galleys. Well, and in the smaller plugs, which doesn't make sense because when you go to take them out and they're so tight that you snap Allens off, and that was a snap-on Allen. It wasn't a cheap, that was good stuff. So doesn't make sense. There's the other side of the oil pump and standard volume pump. Kind of crazy, on a $40,000 motor. So more than that. Without the stack injection in the ECU is $40,000. So these are the bearings out of it. Clevite 77 coated H series bearings. I don't like them. I prefer ACLs. That wasn't really the problem. The bearing clearance and everything was good and had good crush. But it was just a dirty build. Like I said, look at this. This is a brand new motor with just dyno time on it. I mean, look at that. That's ridiculous. So it is 2.5 to 3 on the mains, which is about right for this motor. Scat crank, I don't really like the Scat forged cranks, but whatever. The way it's detailed is that's not the way you do that. So hopefully you guys know how you do it, because I don't have another crank. All the Callies and everything are in the engines right now. But you want to center this. The reason to do this is not to increase the amount of oil on the bearing surface. It's to get rid of the burr like that on the edge. Let me see if I can. Right? That burr shouldn't be there. Or that one there. And that's why the bearings are screwed up. Right? It's because that crank's got burrs on it. So that's really not cool. That's a quality control issue there. Maybe by Scat, but definitely by whoever assembled it, So T&D rockers, it was supposed to be stainless rockers. T&D is a good product. They're right up there with Jessel. No problems there. It had Isky lifters in it, Isky roller, solid roller motor, which are fine. They work great in this. Mahle pistons, made to their spec. This 500 plus inch engine. Looks like Chinese forged rods, which is kind of disappointing. They're probably Scats. I mean, they're not even marked, but they're probably Scats. Wish it had Carrillos. I mean, for the amount of money you're spending, you could have put a Calais in it. I mean, even a Dragon Slayer would be better than that. You could have done Calais rods, and it wouldn't, you're talking a few $100s difference here. Pistons are nice, though. I like Mahle's. Metric ring package. It's nice. Everything was gapped up real nice. So we don't have any problems there. And it wasn't dirty enough. We caught this motor soon enough that it just got a couple little things in it. But for the most part, skirts are still clean. So we feel good about all that. Heads are good. Sure is running rich, huh? So I don't know. We'll figure that out. Deck clearances were good and stuff. Porting's okay. I mean, it works for what it is. The thing makes 600 plus horse. So for an aspirated big inch engine, that's not bad. Retainers are nice. They're tie. They've got lash. You could put lash caps on. They've got jumbo locks in them. So it's decent. We'll take it apart, make sure no debris got up under the valve stem seals. So we'll have to pull it down, put a set of valve stem seals in it. It says one-piece stainless valves. I'm hoping that's what it is. Stock injection's nice. It's Borla. You know, we've used those before. So that's about it, guys. You know, even when you spend a lot of money, sometimes it's not good. So that's why we like building our own.